guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my CVS haul. So I haven't posted a CVS haul, I think in about 3 weeks. It's been, yeah, 3 weeks, something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So I started my first transaction with $5 in extra care bucks and $3 in beauty bucks. So in total, I had $8 to start my transactions off with. So I did the pull-ups and Huggies deal. So pull-ups and Huggies, these are priced 2 for $20, and when you spend $30, you're gonna get a $10 extra care bucks. So I purchased 3 in total. I used a printable $2 off 1 coupon for the pull-ups. I also used a CVS app coupon for the second package of pull-ups, and then I used a printable $2 off 1 for the Huggies. And then I paid, and then I also paid with $8 in total of extra care bucks. So in total, I paid $19.48. Then I earned $10 in extra care bucks. And then I submitted $2.50 twice to Ibotta for the pull-ups, and that rebate is still available. So do not skip that rebate, you guys. So I earned $5 back with that. So then my next transaction, I did the Joah Cosmetics, and they are on a spend 10, get $8 back in extra care bucks. And I had a 2 off 12 CRT for cosmetics and a 25% off any one Joah Cosmetic CRT that printed at my receipt from the pull-ups. So I bought one of the matte gel lipsticks and one of the matte liquid lipsticks, and I paid 96 cents after my extra care bucks in CRTs, and then I earned $8 back in extra care bucks, which I went into my last transaction. First thing I picked up was a bag of dog food because the dogs ran out of dog food this morning and I had to feed them Cheerios. I know I'm not the only one that has had to feed the dog Cheerios because they ran out last minute and the dog is like looking at you like, feed me something, please. So I know I'm not the only one that has fed the dog Cheerios. And then I used a printable $1.50 off 1 coupon for the Beneful. And then I also picked up a package of tampons. These were clearance. I forgot how much they were, but I had a $1.50 off 1 CRT for tampons and pads. I think it came out to like $1 for the box, which is great. And then I also did the Crest deal. So Crest is $3, and I used a $2 off coupon from the CVS app. And then I also got a $1 extra care buck back for buying 1. So that made that guy free. So in total, everything after extra care bucks and submitting to Ibotta, everything was $16.79 for everything. So we have 2 packages of pull-ups, a package of diapers, 2 lippies, toothpaste, tampons, and dog food. So under 17 bucks for everything. I think that was a great deal. So I want to share with you guys something really fun that I would like you guys to get involved with if you guys would like to. So I have been helping out this organization called JWCL, and they put on something called Prom Wishes every single year, and they invite 125 students to come in and shop prom dresses, shoes, accessories, makeup, hair, stylers, pretty much everything they're gonna need for their prom night. They let the kids come in and shop, and it's free to them. So if you guys would like to donate any cosmetics or hairstylers, or maybe you have some statement jewelry you never wear, or special occasion dresses, I'm gonna go ahead and leave their P.O. box below. I've already talked to the chairperson of this event, and she was fine with me sharing their P.O. box. So I'm gonna be starting to collect a bunch of cosmetics for them and shipping it off. This is my 3rd year doing it, and I think it's great. And I also wanted to extend an opportunity for us as a coupon community to really just blow this organization away with all of the cosmetics and hair stuff that we get for free to cheap all the time. So I definitely wanted to get you guys involved with this because I think it's great. And I think it's great for us as a coupon community to give back all together. So everyone is welcome to participate in this. I will have their website linked below if you want to learn more about it. Their organization is hosting the event March 30th. So just make sure you get your stuff in before the 30th. I would aim to get it in at least a week before. So within like the week or so, send it off. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will have the printable breakdown below if you guys want to follow along to some of these deals if you need a little bit more information on how to do some of them. So I will talk to you guys all later. Happy Sunday, and that's it for now. Bye.